In this construction, we will go over how to do translations given a figure and a translation vector. In this example, we were given triangle FDE and we want to translate it along vector B. So our finishing image should be in the direction of the vector, and each pre-image point, D, E, and F, should translate the length of the vector. So the first one we'll translate is point E. So we're going to measure the length of the vector, move our compass over to point E, and make an arc. So we know somewhere on this arc will be point E prime. Where on this point? Well, we're going to measure the distance from the beginning of the vector to point E, move our compass over to the end of the vector, the very tip, and make an arc so it intersects that first one, and that point of intersection will be E prime. And we'll go and do the same thing again for both F and D. So again, measure the length of the vector. Let's do point F now. So put our compass point on F. Make an arc. Somewhere on this arc, F prime will be. Go back to the beginning of the vector, measure the distance from the beginning of the vector to the point you're translating. Go to the end of the vector. And again, make an arc so that it intersects your first one. And that is where F prime will be. And let's finish this up with D prime. So again, go back, measure the length of the vector. Put your compass point on the point you are translating. Make an arc. Measure the distance from the beginning of the vector to the point you're translating. And then go to the end of the vector and make an arc so it intersects your first one, and that is where D prime will be. And let's just connect our triangle now. So E prime to D prime, F prime to D prime, and E prime to F prime. So D prime, E prime, F prime is our translated triangle along vector